kings and queens, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a brow tutorial. Now if I sound a little bit different, it's because I have a cold right now. I'm just gonna do a voiceover so that you won't have to hear the sickness in my voice. So let's just get to the video. I haven't really posted a makeup video on this channel in maybe a couple months, and I usually post on my makeup Instagram. Follow it right here, and also follow my main Instagram while you're at it. People ask me like, how do I do my eyebrows? So I'm gonna be showing you guys today, so let's get to it. I'm gonna be doing this video on my right brow, and I'm gonna start off by brushing my brow with a spoolie so that all the hairs are going the right way. I use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I just do little strokes. I outline the bottom of my brow, and then I do the top of my brow. I know it looks crazy right now, but then I just fix it. I keep on spoolieing throughout the whole process, and I go back in with more pomade just to like fill in empty spots. Then I use this little eyebrow pencil from Walgreens, and I just flick and fill in the parts that my brow gel did not get. I then use LA Girl Pro Concealer on a little brush that I got from e.l.f. and I just outline my brow to clean up all the messed up parts. Also, you want to make sure that your brush is nice and fine tipped so that it can be a nice straight line and your brow can look really flaky. Now I take some of the remaining concealer and I just outline the top of my brow. Sometimes if my brow turns out good, I don't have to do this, but I just decided to do it. And then I go in with a little bit more product and I just clean it up. Now I just go with a big like spoon brush and I just brush out all of my concealer and blend it in. Hey guys, so thank you for watching this eyebrow tutorial. I hope it helped. Just so you know, I did it on this brow. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also check out my previous videos and check out Sienna's channel. Follow all my social media, big down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.